Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Franklin County, Union County, Indiana, Butler County, southern Preble County, southwestern Montgomery County, until 9 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brookville, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hughes, 7 Mile, Goodwin's Corner, west of Flores, Collinsville, Brownsville, Beckett Ridge, Morning Sun, West Alexandria, South Middletown, Wheatville, Sharptown, Pisgah, Muttonville, Millville, St. Peter, Lehigh, Camden, Fairhaven, and Billingsville. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 18 and 27. Now here